Hi everyone, I'm Duane. Today we're looking at the Format Painter. Quick and easy ways to copy and paint formats. We're going to use three methods. Paint single cells, paint multiple cells, paint multiple times. Looking at the left here, we have January to March. We have a set of formats in those cells there. We're going to take those formats and paint them across to the April to June group and the July to September group. First of all, a single cell. I'm clicking in A5. Up on the Home tab, the Home ribbon, we can see the Format Painter button on the left-hand side there. I'm clicking that once. Putting the mouse on the sheet there, you can see the mouse has a paintbrush next to it, and also there's a dotted marquee running around January to March. That's the active cell that we're going to paint. I'm going to D5 and clicking there. It's painted it across the format. Note also the paintbrush has disappeared from the cursor and the dotted marquee has disappeared from A5. I'm going to do one more cell. Clicking in B5, going up to the Format Painter, coming down and clicking in E5. Clicking away so you can see it. It's painted that format. That's a single cell format. We're going to now do multiple cells. I'm going to A6 and I'm highlighting through to B12. I'm going up to the Format Painter and clicking there. We have the marquee, we have the paintbrush on the cursor. I'm going to D6 and clicking there, and it's painted that format to D6. Alright, the third and last one is painting multiple times. Now what we're going to do is take A5 to B12, pick up that format and paint it to D5 and G5. Before we do that, I actually have to clear the formats on the D5, the April to June group. I'm going to do this with a keyboard command, Alt-E, A, F. That will clear formats for you. I've written it down there in the bottom left hand corner so you've got a record of that. Alright, now painting multiple times. I'm going to highlight A5 to B12, going up to the Format Painter, but this time double clicking the Format Painter. The marquee is running around that group of cells. The paintbrush is on the cursor. I simply go to D5 and click once. The marquee is still there. The paintbrush is still there. I go to G5 and click once. It's painted the format. Now to turn off the marquee and to remove the paintbrush, I'm going to hit the Escape key. Done. Clicking away so you can see it all. Okay, there we have painted multiple times. Alright, that's all regarding the Format Painter. If there's other Excel training you need, please check out projectexcel.com.au. Thank you very much for watching everybody. Catch you next time.